open! Today we are going to do a Rainbow High doll unboxing. I'm so excited! I have had my eye on these dolls for a really long time, for like the entire year of 2020. Well, at least when they released in 2020. And I finally got one just after Christmas. This is actually series 2, and her name is Bella Parker, and her whole theme is pink. And typically pink's not really my favorite color. Red is my favorite color. But look, I even have pink nail polish today. But my hair is pink and her hair is pink, so I was kind of drawn to her. I absolutely love the boxes that these come with. Like I said, this is series 2, and this says, "Welcome to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama." Do they start the drama? Like, are they dramatic people? Is it like a performing arts school where there's drama and dramatics? Or is it an art school that's like purely art? I have questions. I know they have an animated series on YouTube, so maybe I should check that out. And Rainbow High is made by MGA. They're the same people who do the LOL Surprise, Lala Loopsy. They do the Sugar Crush ones. Without any further ado, let's get her open. Look at how pretty she is! Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So she came with a doll stand, and it's this really pretty pink sparkly doll stand. Look at how sparkly that is. And it came with little clothes hangers and little pant hangers. Look at how neat that is. We can actually hang up her clothes. Oh my gosh, how creative is that? Look at that! I am so impressed. That is so cool. Get the freak out of here. This is something else I really like. The outfits come in these little boxes. So it looks like an actual like designer. Like sometimes when you go to really, really high-end shops, they put everything in boxes for you. And so this is a really cool way to like save her accessories. This is so cool. And I love that everything kind of has that like hollow. Oh my gosh. I think this like pulls out like a drawer. Oh, how cute is that? We got these pretty pink shoes. They're kind of an iridescent pink, and they have a little pink buckle on the side and a cute little bow in the back. Oh, and the bottom, it's like a red bottom, like a Louboutin, but pink. Now we have this pretty outfit. So the back of this actually has a little white spot to push so you don't rip anything out, and it helps you to push it out and then you can unwrap it. Okay guys, I'm officially obsessed. Look at the quality of this outfit, and it even comes with a little plastic body form to hold its shape. But these are all little applique beads, and it's actually stitched. Oh my goodness. And look at this little zipper and this little belt. I cannot. Look at this little belt buckle. Oh my gosh. This feels like a really nice like cotton knit, and then the inside is like a cotton lining. And then the zipper, I don't see an actual zipper pulley. So it's definitely like just for looks. It doesn't actually function as a zipper. But I think we can take this jacket off. Oh my goodness! Look at how cute this little dress is! With the little Peter Pan collar. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. It has Velcro in the back. This dress is giving me some serious Clueless vibes. And then we can't forget that it also came with these adorable lace tights. These tights are a really pretty pink lace material. It is stretchy, and there's a little RH embroidered in the design. I do notice that the RH is upside down to the rest of the tights. So I think when they stitched it, they accidentally did it upside down, but that's okay. I don't mind too much. You know what else I am thinking with this box? As much as I make fun of Troom Troom, they actually have some really handy Barbie hacks, and I think I could use one of their hacks to turn this into a wardrobe. And then that way, I can use the little hangers that they included and hang this up like a wardrobe. Ideas. It is time to open up beautiful Bella Parker. She stands on her own. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. That is really impressive. So what attracted me to these dolls in the first place was that they really remind me of Blythe or Pulip, which I covet. I have wanted a Blythe or a Pulip for a really long time. Right out of the box, I can see her hair is curled. It's very slightly crispy, but it is also very, very soft. And I mean, I can tell that they put a lot of product in this to give it this really pretty curl on both sides. Whereas in the back, it's just held up in a ponytail. Very soft. Oh my goodness, so soft. Oh, look at how beautiful. I was reading up on Rainbow High, and they do actually recommend giving her a little shampoo and conditioner treatment out of the box to get rid of this gel and glue product. I also have read that you can brush it out, so I'll try brushing it out too. Another thing I absolutely love are her eyes. Her eyes are just absolutely gorgeous. They're this really pretty blue and purple, and there's some pink. Absolutely stunning. And I love that her makeup is pretty simple. It's not over the top and crazy. I love that her skin kind of has this iridescent finish, kind of like she used a highlighter. And amazingly, she has false lashes. I have never yet seen a doll that I have purchased in the store that has false lashes like this. That is amazing to me. These eyes are inset eyes. They don't feel like glass. They feel like maybe they're like a resin or a plastic. And her head is not squishy. It's very, very hard. So I may be able to heat her up and move her eyes around, but just as she is, there's no way. And as I'm messing with her, her head is not, oh yeah, her head is very stiff. She cannot look down and she cannot look up at all, like even the slightest bit. But she can turn her head really well. She also has these beautiful earrings. They are actually clear with like a gold detailing. So it looks like a gigantic diamond in a gold post. That is pretty cool. And they fit in her ear really nice and easy. She also comes with this really cute headband that has the same kind of detailing on the side as her jacket. These little like pearls and a little matching diamond stud to her earrings. Her outfit is entirely of this sort of pink and gold tweed with some of these black sequin ribbon detailing. And there's also some really pretty little buttons going down. These are absolutely tiny and they're going down right here. It's interesting because they kind of blend in with the sequins. It's almost kind of redundant for them to go next to these sequins, but I actually really like that the designer even thought to include them anyway, even though they're next to something else. That just shows a real attention to detail. She also has these cute little knee-high stockings and these amazing heels. They look like those sneaker heels from like the 90s, and actually they're coming back now. I think Visco girls wear them. I don't know, or e-girls. I'm so out of the loop. I have no idea. They kind of have like a sneaker bottom with these big wedges. Very, very baby Spice Girls. And she has the cutest little t-shirt underneath. It's weird because the rest of her looks so preppy and posh, but then she has this little t-shirt underneath that says California Dreamin'. That's so random but adorable. So the skirt has a little underwear lining that just makes it so it doesn't ride up really high on her hips and actually stays and covers her bottom. So I just threw her hair up in a little bun so we could see her body a little bit better. And you can see that she doesn't have any garments for her chest, but she does have little pink undies. I am the most impressed with her articulation, which, like I said before, I've been wanting a Blythe or a Pulip, and what kind of attracted me to those was the articulation. And actually, even looking at her head, she reminds me of a Blythe because she's has a very thin head, and I think it's because she has so much hair. Her feet are not articulated, but her knees can bend quite a bit. They do have that kind of kneecap style joint. This looks like maybe the legs can twist. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she can do the splits. That's amazing. It's not a ball joint, but the top of the thigh is rounded so much that, I mean, she can move a lot. We could do like the regular. Oh wait, so she can't do these splits because her booty stops her leg from going all the way that way. That's a shame. Otherwise she moves so much. There's like this little extra piece of plastic here. It has something to do with the mechanism for how the legs rotate. I'm not entirely sure what. I'm not a doll maker. So you can see her hands are removable, and it seems like she has the same typical range of motion as most dolls that you would purchase now. I thought her elbow was like her knee, where it had kind of that kneecap joint, but it doesn't. So it can only bend at like a 90-degree angle. So she can actually cross her arms really nice. Ooh, I'm happy about that. That's like my go-to thing is, can she cross her arms? And also, can she touch her face? She can! Sweet, because I like posing them in this kind of pose, so, and it's really difficult sometimes, they can't reach their face. So I finally got her pantyhose on, but it ripped while I was putting them on. Not the actual fabric, which is good, but the stitching. So that's something that I'm gonna have to fix on my own. We saw that without her clothes, she can cross her arms, but that's not the case with this leather jacket. It's too thick, so she can't cross them, and she can't put her hand to her face like I like because it springs back. So if I want her to cross her arms, I'd have to take her jacket off. One thing I was pleasantly surprised about was the glue in her hair brushed out so easily and with very minimal hair loss. I had read some stories that people were getting their dolls that just had so much glue that they needed to wash them. Even MGA suggested that you wash the hair. But it brushed out so easily that I don't feel the need to wash it. And honestly, I would not reroot her either. I would maybe like add some colors, like maybe I could add in some of my own extensions for some highlights or lowlights, but otherwise, her hair quality is so nice that I wouldn't do anything to it. I am curious to see if Pulip or Blythe clothing fits this model. She is a 1/6 scale, just like normal, but she's a lot more wide in the hips and the thighs, so I don't know if Pulip or Blythe clothing would fit. Especially her shoes, her feet were pretty big, and it was even hard to get her these shoes on. Overall, I am really happy with her, and I'm a little nervous actually because she's such high quality for $25, $26 in the US. So, ooh, I'm gonna have to seriously resist the urge to buy more because I like her so much. Uh-oh, this might be a problem. Thankfully, it's just after Christmas, so maybe I can find some more on the clearance. Maybe someone was gifted a Rainbow High doll and they didn't want it, so they returned it. I mean, I can have high hopes, right? Thanks for watching, everyone! If you've collected any Rainbow High dolls, I would absolutely love to see. You can tag me on Instagram at BunnieDIY, especially if you've given some of them face-ups or other makeovers. I would love to see and hear about it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Those likes really help me and my channel out. And while you're here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I post every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you all next Monday. Love you a latte.